Boom, baby. 384. Yes. Well, welcome to my Thursday threes. Well, I knocked off. I had this one. I see a pair here. Well, what I did is I did insert here. I see these two pair, and then I see the one that it goes here. I did this, and then instead of doing this first, I also did blue here, and then I insert here, and then I see the pair here, and then I already saw these two happen. So what should go is you did this to have this pair out, so you can insert here to here, and then I see these two pair here. You see here, I did this to insert here, and then I got these two easy, and then the word the ZBLL was this, and it's done.